Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the PowerPoint presentation, and here we will use the AI. How to do that and what platform we will use. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Gamma AI here, and here I also am accessing it into my Google Chrome. And as you can see, you will find this Gamma AI, the AI PowerPoint creation or the AI PowerPoint generator. And after that, you can simply open it, and you can also do the sign up or log in with your email. For the new user, they will usually ask you about the several questions. For example, what is that for? For example, for the personal usage, or for the educational purposes, or for working or business. And after that, you can simply follow the rest of the step to access this Gamma AI. For example, where did you get the information of Gamma? Is that from YouTube or another social media? And after that, you will find the homepage of this Gamma, and you can also click home to see the several things over here. It's like the last file that you have made before, and also you can see the template here, and this is the inspiration, for example. And this will be the view when I choose the usage for the working purposes. And what if I would like to create the new PowerPoint file or the PowerPoint presentation? Well, guys, you can simply click Create New AI here, and it will direct you into these three options. There are paste in text, or in case you have already made the notes before from your file, and you can put it into this section. And also you can create the PowerPoint file by generate it into this section, or you can also import the file and also the URL or the website, guys. And for example, this time I would like to click this generate. Click here, and after that you will see that this Gamma AI will help you to create the presentation, web page, document, and also the social media. I think this is for the content. And you will see how many cards that you would like to create. As you can see that these cards are like the slides. And for example, I would like to create eight cards, I'm sorry. And it will be default. And the languages will be in English. And if you would like to try this Gamma AI for the first time, then you can start to select a title or the topic that has been provided by this Gamma AI. For example, I will choose this one, and I will continue to generate outline, and kindly wait for this Gamma AI to generate every single slide, information, and also what will be presented into the PowerPoint file. So as you can see that this is the first step after the generation process, that this Gamma app or this Gamma AI has made the eight, let's say it will be 8 slides, and also the content or subtitle of this information that would be presented into the every single slide. And after that, you can continue to click generate, and kindly wait for the process, and also make sure that your connection or your network is good so the generation process can run smoothly, guys. Oh, isn't that very fast and really cool about how this Gamma AI work for you guys? Even that this Gamma AI has also made you this picture, for example, about the Albert Einstein, and also the style of this picture is quite really cool. It's like the very astronomical, and as you can see, there are the color like the blue, purple, pink, and the gradation of the color. And you will see this is the it's like the fast tutorial or information here that cards are similar to slides, page, or section but with zero limitation. They can grow or shrink to fit your content. And don't worry because every single thing into this slide is editable. And let's see if I would like to do the editing here. Yeah, it can, guys. And you can see also the every single slide. It's about the relativity theory of the Albert Einstein. And for example, I would like to try to present or preview this file, for example. And you can also go to the next section by click the direction from left or right on your keyboard like this. Every single slide and also the detail and design is really cool over here. You can click exit, and if you would like to download it, then you can click the three dots here beside this account, and you can click export, and you can choose which platform or which format that you would like to export this. It's like in the PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even the PNG here. For example, I will choose this one. And kindly wait for the process, and this PowerPoint will be downloaded into this PowerPoint file. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Gamma AI to help your project. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.